by Samuel Sawyer, the same person who donated Ravenswood Park and the building for the library to the city of Gloucester. And it has this lovely inscription on it. It says, in the year 1870, Samuel Sawyer of Gloucester caused me to be fabricated by Jones and Company of Troy, New York, and generally placed me in this tower, and by the clock above, also his gift, have made to proclaim each passing hour. So our current project is to restore the obviously very corroded bell, and it's an important structural thing. We do not. This bell weighs 3,500 pounds.
Wow.
This is not a trivial piece of equipment. It's a bonging bell, so it isn't a clap. It doesn't swing.
Yeah.
It has this bonging thing here.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's like a hammer.
I think, yeah, it's stuck in place. What we've done is raise it to stabilize it at the moment.
Yeah,
in order so that it's safe from any potential collapse, because we don't want it. So what we're doing is raising the funds, and we're almost there, and we want maybe $20,000 to cover the final costs, which the project includes not just restoration of this cradle, but also tying the clock mechanism into the bell. And when the clock is going to be an electronic mechanism, we'll be able to toll in a celebratory mode, in a tolling mode, you know, bong, bong,
yeah.
Or ring in a celebratory mode, like ding dong, ding, you know.
Yeah.
And then also note the passing hours.
Now tell me something, where can people, if people wanted to help out and contribute, is there a website?
There is a website. It is restoreourtower.com, and if you forget that, you just come to City Hall and look at the banner across the entranceways at Dale Avenue and Warren Street, and that says restoreourtower.com. And this is the falcon nesting box that Joe is trying to find a home for.
Yeah, this is a view. We're looking out the falcon nest.
We want to be able to encourage the development of more falcon families. There's only 14 nesting pairs in Massachusetts.
Wow.
And so those two that we've seen sitting on City Hall need to be encouraged.
So someone built this box right here, and there's a camera right there.
That's focused into the box, and one on the outside. Right now, we have not put it up on any website until we get falcons coming in.
I gotcha.
Because again, that costs money.
And there's a view of the fort from up here.
Amazing views of the fort, of the greasy pole, the paint factory.
There's the greasy pole.
This tower was obvious, this building was obviously very important to the skyline of Gloucester, and it's been painted by numerous artists. And you really couldn't get a finer day to see.
There's the paint factory. I'm way up in City Hall.